When you're choosing your bathroom faucet, several things you need to consider. Of course, just like with your shower valve, you have to pick out what kind of finish that you want. There's a lot to choose from chrome, stainless steel, brushed nickel, oil rub, bronze. So that'll be your first decision. But another very important decision is exactly how it mounts to your countertop. There's three different kinds. One is a single hole mounting, which, as the name implies, is just one hole that you'll need in order to mount the faucet. A lot of different type of one hole faucets. Then there's a very traditional, what they call a 4-inch spread, which this means the two holes are exactly 4 inches apart, and you have one center one that you'll need for the operation of the drain. And then you have a widespread assembly that comes again in a lot of different styles and shapes, but essentially you have one that, since the valves are individual, you can go with the traditional 8-inch spread, where these are actually able to go down to 6 inches up to 16 inches. So a lot of flexibility there. And again, when you look at all of the different faucets out in the showroom, you wonder, why would one be like $60 and one $600? Well, it's all about how they're made. And of course, some of these are a lot harder to make than others, but one of the key things, you want to make sure you pick one with brass inner workings. That's very important for the longevity of it and making sure that you won't have to replace that faucet again.